This is Breaking Ground with me, Pranesh Kumar Roy. You're watching Times Now. Viewers, after 5 months of no action by the state in the Palghar lynching case, Times Now has today accessed the smoking gun. An insider has gone on record to claim that there is something wrong in the state probe. The reason we are saying this because just minutes after the Palghar lynching of sadhus, where 2 sadhus were lynched to death, they were murdered in full public view, the Maharashtra government and Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh in particular had gone on to say that this is a case of rumor mongering. When a PIL was filed in the Supreme Court demanding a CBI probe, the Maharashtra government filed an affidavit and said that we have taken action against 300 people. We've also taken action against the errant policemen. But is there a larger conspiracy to shield the sadhu killers? That's the question, which is why this investigation by Mohit Bhatt, who went to Palghar to bring out the truth, is important. Now, before we tell you what the insider has said, listen to the mother of one of the sadhus. She had written a letter to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray demanding CBI probe and, more importantly, justice for her son. She has spoken to Times Now. Listen to this.
सरकार से हमारा यही मांग बा, जैसे सुशांत के साथ सीबीआई जांच भवा, वैसे हमारे लड़के के मामले में सीबीआई जांच हो जरूरी है। हमें महाराष्ट्र के पुलिस के भरोसा नहीं है।
पुलिस पे भरोसा नहीं है। जैसे सुशांत केस में सीबीआई प्रोब हुआ, उसी तरह इस केस में भी सीबीआई प्रोब होनी चाहिए, says the mother of one of the sadhus murdered in full public view in Palghar. Now listen to this insider who has told Times Now that there are many things amiss in this. He suspects that there is political influence and interference and there is an attempt to shield the killers.
ये विषय राजनीतिक विषय है, ये विषय धार्मिक विषय है। ऐसा विषय कि उस क्षेत्र में पूरे यहाँ पर सीपीएम का काम चलता है, क्रिश्चियन मिशनरियों का काम चलता है, नक्सल प्रभावित जो संगठन है उस विषयों का वहाँ पर काम चलता है। इसके प्रभाव से लोग इतने आक्रामक हुए हैं। इसलिए ये विषय जैसे ये धार्मिक विषय है, उसी तरह से राजनीतिक विषय है। राजनीतिक विषय क्यों है कि महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री जब गढ़चिंचले के दौरे में आए तो वहाँ पर काशीनाथ चौधरी को लेके घूमे। जो काशीनाथ चौधरी सीपीएम राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी का यहाँ का जिला पंचायत सदस्य है, जो जिस दिन साधुओं की हत्या हुई उस दिन वो मारते हुए 2 बार वीडियो में दिख रहा है सामने।
लेकिन अभी तक उनके खिलाफ कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि वो जो है यहाँ के होम मिनिस्टर है उनके साथ दिखता है, उसकी राजनीतिक रसूख अच्छा है एनसीपी से, इसलिए अभी तक कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ।
ऐसा है कि अनिल देशमुख महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के हैं, काशीनाथ चौधरी राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी का है, और सीआईडी किनके अंडर चलती है तो गृह मंत्री के अंडर चलती है। तो अनिल देशमुख के गृह मंत्री तो कैसे अपने कार्यकर्ता के ऊपर कार्रवाई करेंगे? वो कार्रवाई कर ही नहीं सकते। इसलिए आज तक ना उनसे काशीनाथ चौधरी से पूछताछ हुई, ना काशीनाथ चौधरी को आरोपी बनाया गया। इसलिए विषय उसको काशीनाथ चौधरी को बचाने के लिए, राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी को बचाने के लिए, सीपीएम को बचाने के लिए, ये मिशनरी लोगों को बचाने के लिए सब चल रहा है। इसलिए हमने सीबीआई की जाँच की है, मांग की है।
You heard this?
जवळजवळ 1-1.5 तास झालेला होता। त्यांना मी सांगितलं पब्लिकला काय चोर आहेत काय कोण आहे ते मला माहिती नाही, लॉकडाऊन आहे, पण ते काय मी सांगू शकत नाही काय चोर आहे तसं। म्हटलं तुम्ही मारामारी करू नका, दगडफेक करू नका, तुम्ही बाजूला व्हा। नंतर मग ते पब्लिकने आवाज उचलला, म्हणजे जे असतील ते मी नावं सांगू शकत नाही, पण एवढी भीड होती ते सांगत होते काय चोर आहे तसं। तर मी सांगितलं काय मला माहिती नाही। नंतर मग ते मारायचे असे बोलत होते। नंतर मग मी पण घाबरले, कमी जास्ती झालं तर सगळं मला विचारतील सरपंच म्हणून असं। नंतर मग तिथं फॉरेस्टरवाले होते, फॉरेस्ट चौकीजवळ शिपाई ते। नंतर त्यांनी फोन केला, नंतर मग मी पोलिसांशी बोलले काय असं आहे, तुम्ही इथे या असं। नंतर मग ते आले इथं।
अच्छा, एनसीपी के एक नेता काशीनाथ चौधरी का भी नाम है, फोटो में भी दिखा, क्या था कोई वहाँ पे नेता किसी पार्टी का है?
Now you heard the reaction, insider testimony, who says a man who was seen in the lynching video, who was part of the mob, is a member of the NCP. And viewers, listen to what I'm saying carefully, because this is for the first time in the last 5 months that you have The Palghar insider breaking his silence. He says the Home Minister is from NCP. How will Anil Deshmukh take action against an NCP party worker? He is named the party worker. Mohit Bhatt is joining us. Tajal Iyer, Mumbai Bureau Chief. Also with us, Executive Editor Vivek Narayan Kurup joins the panel. Mohit, this is explosive.
Well, yes, Pranesh, you see, Santosh Janate, who was the member of the fact-finding committee with other retired justices, police officials, they had a report made regarding this case, and they clearly stated that Kashinath Chaudhary is an NCP leader, and hence, and when Anil Deshmukh came to Pargal, he was seen with Anil Deshmukh, and various videos of that particular day of the incident, we saw that how Kashinath Chaudhary was seen there. He was not seen pacifying the crowd. He is a local leader over there from Palghar. And the people over there also said that Kashinath Chaudhary was there when this whole incident happened. He lives around 20 to 30 kilometers away from the place where the incident happened. How did he get to know about the incident? This is something that everybody is questioning, that how can he come with his supporters over there within a span of few minutes, because around 9 p.m. they all came there, and at around 11:30 we saw that how lynching happened. So within a span of few hours, how did this man come over here? This is what everybody
is there a larger attempt to shield this NCP worker? Vivek Narayan, I want to come to you. You heard this insider testimony. He's saying the man seen in the video is from NCP. The Maharashtra Home Minister is from the NCP. How can there be a fair probe? The Palghar insider saying this, isn't this a fit case for a CBI probe, Vivek?
Absolutely. You have the fact-finding mission head saying that, almost admitting that the way the probe was conducted by the state police was wanting. The fact that about 4 days back they have dismissed from service 3 police officials, 2 of them assistant sub-inspectors of police and 1 constable. Well, that's hardly a solace for the family. What is required is a thorough probe, and at the end of the thorough probe, there has to be clarity on who's behind this dastardly act. Remember, in one of our Spycam interviews, we were clearly told last time that the first round of attack on the vehicle happened at a checkpost, and after that they had escaped and they could have gone out. It is only when the second round of marauders came in, especially with this political leader at the helm of it, that they get more bloody. It was a time when all 3 of them were killed. So this is precisely why you have grounds for a CBI investigation about 4.5 months after this act, Pranesh.
Connecting with political commentators on this, also spokesperson of various political parties. But once again, I want to play out the Palghar insider who's told Times Now that there is a larger attempt to shield the Sadhu killers. Hear this, viewers, hear this yourself.
ये विषय राजनीतिक विषय है, ये विषय धार्मिक विषय है। ऐसा विषय कि उस क्षेत्र में पूरे यहाँ पर सीपीएम का काम चलता है, क्रिश्चियन मिशनरियों का काम चलता है, नक्सल प्रभावित जो संगठन है उस विषयों का वहाँ पर काम चलता है। इसके प्रभाव से लोग इतने आक्रामक हुए हैं। इसलिए ये विषय, जैसे ये धार्मिक विषय है, उसी तरह से राजनीतिक विषय है। राजनीतिक विषय क्यों है कि महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री जब गढ़चिंचले के दौरे में आए तो वहाँ पर काशीनाथ चौधरी को लेके घूमे। जो काशीनाथ चौधरी सीपीएम राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी का यहाँ का जिला पंचायत सदस्य है, जो जिस दिन साधुओं की हत्या हुई उस दिन वो मारते हुए 2 बार वीडियो में दिख रहा है सामने।
लेकिन अभी तक उनके खिलाफ कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि वो जो है यहाँ के होम मिनिस्टर है उनके साथ दिखता है, उसकी राजनीतिक रसूख अच्छा है एनसीपी से, इसलिए अभी तक कोई एक्शन नहीं हुआ।
ऐसा है कि अनिल देशमुख महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के हैं, काशीनाथ चौधरी राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी का है, और सीआईडी किनके अंडर चलती है तो गृह मंत्री के अंडर चलते हैं। अनिल देशमुख के गृह मंत्री, तो वो कैसे अपने कार्यकर्ता के ऊपर कार्रवाई करेंगे? वो कार्रवाई कर ही नहीं सकते। इसलिए आज तक ना उनसे काशीनाथ चौधरी से पूछताछ हुई, ना काशीनाथ चौधरी को आरोपी बनाया गया। इसलिए विषय उसको काशीनाथ चौधरी को बचाने के लिए, राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी को बचाने के लिए, सीपीएम को बचाने के लिए, ये मिशनरी लोगों को बचाने के लिए सब चल रहा है। इसलिए हमने सीबीआई की जाँच की है, मांग की है।
More reactions coming in. Surender Jain of the VHP is joining us. Mr. Jain, what do you make of the disclosure? An NCP worker who was seen in the lynching video was later seen with the Maharashtra Home Minister. People raising doubts over the fairness of the probe.
We support the demand of the mother of the late saint. Moreover, we are not only demanding, if the government of Maharashtra does not accept our demand, we are going to launch a big public agitation demanding this CBI inquiry. The outcome of the inquiry of CID, Maharashtra Police, is simply an eyewash, nothing else. There might be some big kingpins behind these brutal
You are calling
murders.
it an eyewash, which is why the hashtag is CBI for Palghar. Why is the Uddhav Sarkar reluctant to give this case to CBI? Shaina NC of the BJP also with us. Shaina NC, what do you make of this? First, you had the mother writing a letter to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Now, the Palghar insider has told Times Now that an NCP worker was there at the crime scene, was seen in the lynching video, and later seen with the Maharashtra Home Minister.
I think this is a shocking revelation. The demand for a CBI probe is absolutely fair. If you have thousands of people first who get together and the Maharashtra police and the state government do not even know about it, that raises one question. Second, the suspect angle of certain political workers who, when the sadhus were being lynched, obviously were mum or privy to it. So I think the demand for a CBI probe is only fair, and we hope that justice will be given not just to sadhus and sons, but to any leader or any person who is compromised with this kind of a mob brutality.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Shaina NC and Mr. Jain for speaking to us. I want to bring in Mohit again, and then I'll go to Kajal Iyer. Mohit, this is the smoking gun in this case. It has been 5 months already. No action against the people. The Maharashtra government would have us believe, yes, they have taken action. But why not give it to the CBI?
Well, that is the question that the VHP and the fact-finding team is asking. You see, Pranesh, Kashinath Chaudhary is an NCP leader. He was seen in various videos when the Palghar lynching happened. Now, after 25 days when Anil Deshmukh went to Palghar and he took the stock of the situation, we saw that Kashinath Chaudhary was also with him. Now, the CID comes under the Home Department. If the Home Department and the CID is looking into the investigation where the name of Kashinath Chaudhary comes up and he's seen with the Home Minister of the state, this is something very shocking. How can you expect a fair probe? And this is what the fact-finding committee says. The CID comes under Home Ministry, and Home Minister is being accompanied by somebody who was seen in the videos, who was seen not trying to pacify the crowd. He was there with the crowd. Then how can you expect a fair probe? Hence, an CBI probe is needed. A central agency probe is needed, because the NCP man over there, Kashinath Chaudhary, is somebody who we have our focus on. He was there. Watchman also has said that. Watchman on that fateful night, while speaking to us, said that
for the CBI probe in Palghar case is growing by the day. CBI for Palghar is Times Now's hashtag. Our viewers can use that to share their views with us. Kajal, why is the Maharashtra government reluctant to give it to CBI? Why are they silent on a mother's plea? And this is the letter. She says, I have no faith in the probe that is being carried out by the state. I want a CBI probe so that I get justice. Kajal?
The Maharashtra government seems to have taken this as a matter of pride because they don't want to see cases going out of their hands, and also, of course, questions are being raised with respect to this particular NCP leader being seen with Anil Deshmukh during his visits. But the government is trying to maintain and make this sound like an issue of regional pride and how their police is competent enough, and that is why there is no need for the CBI. Earlier, when we had asked them, they had said that since 2 charge sheets have already been filed and some police officials have been dismissed permanently from service, we stand by the fact that we are working. But given the fact that the victims' families do not feel safe, they do not have faith in the system, shouldn't it be then the responsibility of the government to restore some faith to them?
All right, stay with us. More reactions coming in on the Times Now Palghar investigation. More and more people now want the CBI to take up this case so that justice can be done.
शिलगिरी महाराज की जो मम्मी ने जांच के लिए अप्लाई किया है वो बहुत ही अच्छा निर्णय है और मैं भी उससे सहमत हूँ। क्योंकि मुझे भी सीबीआई जांच की ज़रूरत है। सीआईडी वालों ने जो चार्जशीट फाइल किया है उसमें सिर्फ उन्होंने यही बोला कि अफवाह की वजह से मर्डर हुआ है, अफवाह की वजह से ये हुआ है। आपने 3 घंटा उन लोग को वन विभाग में रख के पूछताछ करने के बाद भी आप लोग नहीं सुन रहे हैं, तो इसमें कैसे वो अफवाह की तरह बात हो सकती है। इस महाराष्ट्र सरकार से अभी तक कोई मदद नहीं हुई है, ना अभी तक उनका कोई मेरे पास आया है।
जो पालघर में नीलेश तेलगड़े मेरे भाई को मारा था वहाँ पे, उस कारण से मुझे सीबीआई की जांच चाहिए। उनके 2 छोटे छोटे बच्चे, उनका क्या होएगा अभी उनका कुछ पता नहीं चला। सरकार ने भी कुछ ऑप्शन उठाया नहीं अभी तक कि हम कुछ कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे, कुछ अभी तक पता नहीं चल रहा मुझे। बहुत बुरी तरीके से मारे थे मेरे भाई को उन्होंने, उस तरह से नहीं मारना चाहिए था। जब पुलिस वाले थे वहाँ पे, जब मौजूद थे, तब उनको छोड़ देना चाहिए था वहाँ पे। उनको इस तरीके से नहीं मारना चाहिए था। जो पुलिस की गाड़ी के अंदर डाल के मारा है उनको, तो पुलिस वाले वो टाइम पे क्या कर रहे थे?
Is the state trying to shield the Sadhu killers? That's the question. And CBI for Palghar is our hashtag on Times Now. A short break. We return to this and other stories in just a bit. Please stay with us.